Hello and welcome to my 100-day project for 2022. Thought I'd share a little bit of my setup for this project, and I have this basket that is filled with some supplies, the tags that I'll be working on, some fabric bits and thread, and of course some collage fodder. So those are the three elements that I'll be focusing on. I'll be able to switch this up during the process, and it's just a good way to start and have everything all together. There I have my safety pins, scissors, and all set to go. And before I start sharing the tags with you, I do want to mention that this project is based on Kasia Avery's Prayer Flag workshop, and that was the inspiration for our project. Here's the first tag, and if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen this, but it was just a little bit different. I wanted to show off more of the tag at first, but then I thought, well, why not add more layers? So I went ahead and found a piece of vintage netting, and I just added it to the back there. And it's a simple process of layering fabrics and lace in a way that's pleasing to you as you put it together. And then I went ahead and collaged the back. And the word that found this tag was enchanted. So it's very simple, but I think there will be a lot of movement once these flags are strung and hanging together. So that'll be a lot of fun. I look forward to that. So let's move on to the second one. And here's tag number 2, and this one is rather special. It features 2 pieces of fabric, the top, that piece that I'm holding right now, and then the rust-colored piece of fabric. Both were designed by textile designers that I had met years ago, and I'm lucky enough to have these pieces, so using it on this tag makes it very special. And again, vintage lace in the back. Here's the tag. And I just love the brightness of this tag. There's the collage on the back and the word blooming. Here's tag number 3, a cooler palette. Here's the tag underneath. And this one is chock full. There's some dyed lace there that I did. That old tatting, that piece of tatting there from a napkin, vintage napkin, I think, or doily. This is just painted muslin from some paintings that I had, so I cleaned my brush on the muslin there, and more lace underneath. It's very what can I say, a lot of layers on this one. Here's the back and the word mindful. And this is tag number 4. It's I just love all the chartreuse in this one against the purple. This snippet of fabric here was given to me by Kristen Peterson of Altered State Studio, and I love it. I mean, it is so 60s. I used a little staple up there to attach it, but so I just, Kristen, if you have more, I'll take it, or swap rather. The old lace again, the same ingredients, but it's fun how they're all different. And here's the back with the words Creative Freedom. And here is tag number 5, and I'll start off by saying I tried to edit this in that I tried to remove some of the layers, but every time I did, it wasn't right. So I decided to keep it all. There's a piece that Claudette had sent me, so that's very special. And yeah, I had to leave that. And then I had that piece of trim back there. And underneath there is the tag. So you can see it's quite bulky, but again, I'm going to leave it as is. More lace, other vintage fabric. Also that piece of trim there that's dyed, that was also from Claudette. And here's the back side, the collage, with the word abundance. And here is a recap of all the tags. I hope you enjoyed seeing them up close. And remember, it's a very simple process, but I think quite impactful, very colorful, a lot of movement, and it's exciting to go forward with this project. So I'll hope you'll join us again next week as we share our 100-day tag project. Thanks, everyone.